How to fix live option not showing on TikTok. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok and make sure you are logged into your account. So the first thing you should know that in order to have live option on your account, you need to meet some of the criteria. The first thing is you should be above 16 years old, and the another one is you should at least have 1000 followers on your account. Well, even if you meet the criteria but you are still facing the issue, then what you can do is head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. Let's say you have more than 1000 followers. First of all, take the screenshot of this page and then tap on this menu icon at the top right corner. Head over to settings and privacy. Scroll down and head over to report a problem. You will be landing on this page. Scroll down and tap on live. Head over to how to start a live. So right here it says is your problem resolved. Tap on no. And then at the bottom you'll find this option need more help. Head over to it. Now in this page what you want to do is to enter the problem that you have been facing on TikTok. Tap on this image icon right here. And then select the screenshot that you have just taken before and click on OK at the top right corner. Once it is done, in this section enter the problem that you have been facing. If you don't know what to write, you can simply copy and paste the thing that I have just written. Once you have written all of those things, tap on submit. There you go, your report has been successfully submitted to the TikTok team. Now within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix live option not showing on TikTok. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.